Hello everyone, myself Dr. Santosh Aghav, Director of Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad, Constituent of Symbiosis International Deemed University Pune. What offers in Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad is BA LLB and BBA LLB. Our vision and mission includes to nurture various legal skills required, expected, values, and the kind of traits which are required, and various legal services which are offered in various sectors. It includes to make a capable human being, human resource, and best person to work with anybody to contribute for various interests of the society and stakeholders as a whole of the legal profession and legal services. What makes us differentiated or unique in the light of legal education at Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad? We being a fully residential campus for all participants, we offer various platforms. Apart from the classroom learning, we have various co-curricular, extracurricular activities which engages students to use their fruitful time in the light of their own strengths and to work on weaknesses, and also to advance their area of interest in the light of upcoming sectors and a kind of careers which they can think of as choice A, choice B, and globally enrich and serve by taking various opportunities at various sectors. We here would like to announce that recently there is a SLAT dates are changed. Please note the last date to register for SLAT is Friday 22nd November 2024. We wish you all the best for SLAT examination and further rounds in the light of selection process and becoming a great human resource, great legal resource in the light of community expectations and sector contribution to make your best of the best career in this entire legal profession. Welcome you. Thank you so much.